Okay, these are the elevators here at Ascension Healthcare / Columbia St. Mary's in Brown Deer, Wisconsin. Got some ThyssenKrupps. I believe these are all hydraulic. Oh, oops. Oh, that was rough. Here are two. Door doesn't sound good, really. Not gonna lie. But only a little cab view. I think this is a nice cab. Indicator, map ABS buttons. 4,500 pound capacity. That's enough. They have the fan off on this one. This one seems sticky. Interesting. That was so quick. Door operator sounds a little weird on two. Wonderful. Yep, these are all hydraulic. They run very well for a pair of ThyssenKrupp hydraulics. Some reason. Two and lower level had the buttons are sticky. Watch the button go out. This one might have had the reflex. I think the other elevator is I don't know where it's at. But it's on a different floor. There it goes. And that'll be it.